Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and cleaning contact surfaces. Remove the current band if fitted, then inspect the bracelet lugs and connector rails so they align. Once clean, hold the watch face down, line up the bracelet connector with the groove, and slide horizontally until you hear or feel a click. Make sure to test with one gentle tug to confirm secure seating. This prevents accidental release and ensures sensors and case fit remain unhindered while you continue to set up. Now you'll size and secure the bracelet so it's comfortable and functional. If the bracelet uses removable links, use the link tool or quick-release pins to remove or add links. Work on a flat surface to avoid losing small parts. Aim for a fit where one finger can slip between band and skin, tight enough for heart rate sensors, loose enough for comfort. Reinsert pins fully and engage the clasp. Make sure micro adjustments are used to fine-tune tension and prevent shifting. Finish with functional checks and one troubleshooting tip. You should open the Heart or Workout app to confirm the watch maintains skin contact and reads reliably. Move your wrist to test for slippage. If the clasp slips or a link feels loose, reset pins, inspect for bent or damaged links, and recheck alignment. If reading or connection issues persist, clean the contacts, restart the watch, and reattach the bracelet. These steps resolve most mechanical and sensor problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.